ដល់សក់អង្គុយសង្កត់ធ្វើតែការដល់ថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ក៏មិនដឹងទៅណាខណាត់មិត្តភ័ក្តិតើយើងទៅចំការនៅទីនោះសម្បូរផ្លែឈើហូបផ្កាហើយនៅក្នុងស្រះវិញមានមច្ឆាគ្មានសំឡេងស៊ីម៉ាំងឡានឮតែសំឡេងសត្វស្ងាត់ធ្វើឲ្យអារម្មណ៍ល្អរីករាយនឹងទេសភាពដោយបើកចំហសម្រាប់ព្រៃភ្នំស្អាតដូចស្រីក្រមុំរីឯទេសភាពបានឆក់យកបេះដូងខ្ញុំឆ្លបកផាយផាន់ធ្វើចិនរំ
Hello everyone, welcome to our last vlog, and today I want to review a beautiful place in Kampot Province, and it's called Schneller. In this place have a good resort, low price, best food, nice view and fresh air. It can help you relax from stress, and this place is really quiet because only a few people know this place, and it's really far from the Kampot Province because it took 40 kilometers to get there. It also have a beautiful beach and clear water, and it's better to have your own tent. For me, I recommend you to visit this place for one time because it's really quiet. You can go kayaking. You can eat things with your friend without harming from the other people, and visit there with your friend is the best idea for me. No one interrupt your day. You can enjoy your day with your friend in this place. Just look at the view. So it's the end of our last video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the last moment. Bye.